Discovering untapped niches to boost your Etsy sales. Hey Etsy sellers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that can take your Etsy shop to the next level. Discovering untapped niches to boost your sales. If you've been struggling to stand out in a crowded market or wondering how to make your shop truly unique, you're in the right place. So, let's get into it. First things first, what is a niche? A niche is a specific segment of the market that caters to a certain group of people or a particular interest. And the key to success on Etsy? Finding a niche that's not overly saturated but still has a strong demand. Sounds like magic, right? But with the right research, you can uncover hidden gems. Step 1. Start with subcultures and trends. Etsy shoppers love to express their unique identities, and many are drawn to specific lifestyle trends. Look into emerging movements like cottagecore or dark academia. These niches are huge on social media but may not yet be saturated on Etsy. Dive into Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok to find what people are raving about. For example, if you find a micro-trend on TikTok that isn't represented heavily on Etsy yet, you could be one of the first sellers to meet that demand. Next, think about how your products solve a problem. Every buyer is looking for something that makes their life easier or better in some way. Do your products save time? Are they eco-friendly, customizable? Niches that solve specific problems, like organizing small apartments or creating sustainable alternatives, are growing rapidly. Use this to your advantage. Start by brainstorming what issues your target audience faces, then tailor your product line to offer a solution. You might be surprised by the new directions this takes your shop. Step 3. Use data to your advantage. One of the most powerful tools for discovering untapped niches is Etsy's own search bar. Type in keywords related to your products and pay attention to the autofill suggestions. These are real-time search queries that customers are actively looking for. If you see something that aligns with your skills and isn't overly competitive, that could be your new niche. You can also use tools like Marmalade or eRank to dive deeper into keyword research, competition, and trending tags on Etsy. This will give you a clearer picture of what's already out there and where there's room for you. Another way to tap into untapped niches is to customize for specific events or occasions. Weddings, birthdays, or even niche holidays like National Cat Day. These are all opportunities. You can create personalized items for these events that make your shop stand out. And don't forget, Etsy shoppers love personalized gifts. The more niche you can get, like personalized gifts for steampunk weddings or eco-friendly baby showers, the more you'll attract a passionate customer base looking for something they can't find elsewhere. Finally, remember to stay authentic and passionate. Choose a niche that resonates with you. You'll be more motivated to create and market your products when you actually care about what you're selling. And trust me, customers can feel the difference. So there you have it. 5 steps to discovering untapped niches that can boost your Etsy sales. It's all about exploring subcultures, solving problems, using data, and staying authentic to your brand. Now it's your turn. Get out there, do some research, and start creating for a niche that's ready to fall in love with your shop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on tips to grow your creative business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.